Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can you add a vanilla gift card to Venmo? I'm going to start by giving you the answer up front. Yes, you can add a vanilla gift card to Venmo. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. What is Venmo? Before we get into the details of adding a vanilla gift card to Venmo, let's take a quick look at what Venmo is. Venmo is a mobile payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. You can also use Venmo to make purchases at participating retailers. How to add a vanilla gift card to Venmo? Now that we know what Venmo is, let's get into the details of adding a vanilla gift card. There are two ways to do this. Use the Venmo app. To add a vanilla gift card to the Venmo app, you'll need to first create a Venmo account. Once you have an account, you can follow these steps. Open the Venmo app. Tap the Add Money button. Select Gift Card. Enter the gift card number and PIN. Tap Submit. Use the Venmo website. To add a vanilla gift card to the Venmo website, you'll need to first create a Venmo account. Once you have an account, you can follow these steps. Go to the Venmo website. Log into your account. Click on the Add Money button. Select Gift Card. Enter the gift card number and PIN. Click Submit. Things to keep in mind. There are a few things to keep in mind when adding a vanilla gift card to Venmo. You can only add vanilla gift cards that are issued in the United States. You can only add gift cards that have not been activated. You can only add gift cards that have not been used before. You can only add gift cards that are not expired. Once you have added a gift card to Venmo, you can use it to make purchases or send money to other people. Benefits of adding a vanilla gift card to Venmo. There are a few benefits to adding a vanilla gift card to Venmo. It's a convenient way to add money to your Venmo account. It's a safe and secure way to add money to your Venmo account. It's a great way to use up gift cards that you don't want to use in person. Risks of adding a vanilla gift card to Venmo. There are also a few risks to adding a vanilla gift card to Venmo. If you lose your gift card, you will lose the money on it. If your gift card is stolen, the thief can use it to make purchases or send money to other people. If you enter the wrong gift card number or PIN, you will not be able to add the gift card to your Venmo account. How to avoid scams. There are a few things you can do to avoid scams when adding a vanilla gift card to Venmo. Only buy gift cards from reputable retailers. Do not share your gift card number or PIN with anyone. Be careful of websites that claim to offer discounted gift cards. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. Thank you for watching.